Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do unbox the Vivo Y17, and it is a new phone from Vivo and it is costing around 37,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And this phone is giving you a 4GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage, and the battery size is having a 5000 mAh battery size, which is huge. And the internal is having a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 4GB RAM, not the Helio P70. And main specification more on the back with a dual engine fast. The charging is here with the AI triple cameras on the back. And the color is having a blue. So let's quickly open this box and let's see what this phone has to offer in the price range. Open this box and the first thing you can see, it is a mini box which contain I think the silicone case as well as the quick start guide with the fingerprint scanner is on the back of the phone, not in display. And here is the phone. Let's out the phone from this box and you can see, let's put the side here and look inside the box what this phone has to offer the accessory wise. And the first up, you can see it is a very big charger with ampere rating is having a 9V with a 2A charger, and it is a 18W fast charger with a micro USB cable, not type C, and a normal Vivo headphones with a headphone jack. Let's put all the stuff to the side and look at the phone. And here is the Vivo Y17. Let's out the phone from this wrapper thing, and you can see on the back is having a very beautiful gradient look. Let's quickly boot this phone and show you the physical overview of this phone. And you can see on the bottom is having the speaker, micro USB port, microphone and handphone jack. And on the left is having a SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time. On the top is having nothing. On the right is having a volume up and volume down rocker with the power key. On the back is having a AI, the triple cameras on the back. Main it is a 13 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, LED flash and the fingerprint scanner there, Vivo branding. And the back as well as the sides is completely made up of the plastic. And here is a 6.4 inch 720p IPS LCD display, not a super AMOLED. This phone is also giving you the fingerprint scanner as well as the Face ID. Let's quickly show you the fingerprint scanner. The setup is done. Let's set up the Face ID as well, and we are done with the setup. And here is the first boot of the Vivo Y17, and you can see, and it is a Vivo UI with some application is here, and you can see, and it is a 20 megapixel the front camera with a water dropper and notch, and earpiece is also here in this phone. And you can see, and the color reproduction around the notch, it is not very white, I have to say, not very good the color reproduction around the notch. Let's go to the about phone. And Android 9 right out of the box with a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, 4GB RAM and some more the specification. 128GB internal storage out of 114GB is available for you. Let's go to the display, and the navigation gesture is also here in this phone, home, back and reset like always. And auto brightness sensor is also here in this phone, and the screen is looking very bright in this environment. Let's go back, and you can see Vivo UI, it is looking very faster. And this phone is giving you a 5000 mAh battery size, and the weight balance is done very well on this phone, but phone is thick. And let's look at the camera, and it is a triple cameras on the back. Main it is a 13 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, and it is a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and you can see, and 2 megapixel depth sensor is also here in this phone. Let's go to the video size, and the back camera is record up to full HD, not the 4K is here in this phone. And the back camera is also giving you the portrait mode as well as some more feature as well, and you can see it is the portrait mode. Let's look at the front camera, and it is a 20 megapixel the front camera, and the beauty mode is also here with the front camera. And let's go to the video size, and the front camera is also record up to full HD. And let's show you the fingerprint scanner speed as well as the Face ID. And you can see half the second it is delay, not very fast, I have to say. And let's look at the Face ID speed, and you can see same thing with the Face ID as well. And let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone is giving you a 5000 mAh battery size, which is amazing. This phone is giving you a 2 days battery life without any problem. and the Vivo software, it is very optimized for this phone, as well as the processor is not very hungry in this phone. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Vivo Y17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You want to see some more videos about this phone, let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.